Alright, dolls and gents, it is time. It is October. I'm not happy because I don't have a Halloween bag, y'all. The Halloween bag that I used to carry, um, it broke and I took it to a purse place and they couldn't fix it. So I don't have a Halloween bag. So I'm going to clean out this bag. Take my pocket back out first. So let me show y'all some of the stuff I got first. So I got the Villains keychain. There's one more that I want that I saw. But their keychains just have gotten ridiculously priced at this point. Like their keychains just went from $6.95 to this one was $10.95. And the other one that I saw that was a villain keychain that I wanted, I think it was $12.95, and I left it right there. Like seriously. But here is my pocket bag. Ooh, love it. It says it glows in the dark. And I think those are the ones that are costing more, is the ones that light up and the ones that glow in the dark. I got my donut keychain from Dunkin' Donuts. If you haven't seen this, the donut spider keychain. This is from Dunkin' Donuts. I got my straw topper from Dunkin' Donuts. And this just goes on a regular straw. It's not like the other straw toppers. It really just slides down on your straw. So I got 3. I got one for the job. One to keep on my desk at the job when I use a regular straw. And then one for my other straw and a backup. And then from Coach, I got this little wristlet from Coach. So those are all the Halloween things so far that are going to be on my bag. I don't know what I did with it. Oh, here it is. From Walmart, I got my Halloween hair clip that I'm going to be wearing in my hair. It also glows in the dark. And I got my Halloween earrings. I'm going to probably be wearing Halloween stuff all month long, I think. I got like 3 or 4 different pair of Halloween earrings. So I think I'm just going to do it all month. And I'm getting ready to do my nails. We're doing breast cancer first, Halloween last. So let's clean out this purse. I'm going to switch to this wallet. I don't really know what has happened to it. So I'm going to go ahead and carry this one for the last time and then order another one. Switch it to a Michael Kors bag, which y'all will see. So I don't know what's going on with all my wallets. What y'all think? I have them put up. If y'all know of a cleaner or anything I should try, let me know. But I'm going to clean out the Dooney and Burt wallet and switch to the Michael Kors wallet. This bag, this might be too small for this. Let's see. Make sure you get your buzzers out. I always forget to get the little buzzer out. And then I go in the store and I'm buzzing and I don't know why I'm buzzing. So make sure you get the little sticky buzzer out of your bag. So let's see. Might have to carry this again, but I'm going to try not to. Okay. So let's see. Maybe if we put it neatly. Maybe I can just put this in the zipper part. Eyeglass cleaner. We're trying, y'all. I don't think it's going to work. Don't think it's going to work. All right. So what we'll do is I'll carry this one more time. I will carry this one more time. Put these back in here. We will carry, and this is on my Amazon. The link to my Amazon is down below. A lot of these things that I find are on my Amazon. All right, guys, give me a second. As you can see with my voice, I am struggling. I've been under the weather, but I wanted to get this video out for you guys. So just give me a second. I'm putting my lipsticks in the Halloween bag. Do I really need this many lipsticks, y'all? Yeah. Like 4 lip liners, a lipstick, 2 lip balms. It's needed, trust me. All right, so as y'all can see, we have a whole entire mess going. So we're going to get it together. We're going to pick out what we need. I need my pill case because I see some pills have waste out. Okay. As you can see, I have hauls and everything like that because your girl has been dealing with whatever. So let's get all the hauls because we're going to need it. Put them in the bag. Put them in the bag. Okay. Trying to get everything set up so I can get the bag set up. Batteries do not go back in there. All right, y'all, we're gonna try. We're gonna try. We need candy. Y'all know we need the candy. All right. The bag is the only thing left in here is my gift cards, so let me get them out. And put them in, I'll go ahead and put them in the zipper part. And I will go ahead and put my charger and my AirPods in the zipper part. Let me zoom out a little. Okay. My charger and AirPods, let me put my gum. And I'm going to put my pens in the zipper part. My book. Where's the VIP cards? Where's my duck? Where's my duck? Because and this is my little duck wallet. And this is just where I keep cards that I don't reach for every day. Like VIP store cards, the AAA card and stuff. I still have it, but it just helps me to keep so many cards out of my wallet. What I need in here is the cards that I reach for every day, like my photo ID, Costco, BJ's, Sam's, my bank cards, like store cards and stuff, or anything. My insurance cards is in this little penguin here. So I'm hoping this bag only comes with the one pocket. So I'm hoping that the lotion and the lip stuff don't open in the bag. Okay? Hopefully. So let's put in here what we're going to put in here. I have Michael Kors wallet. This wallet. Halloween wallet. Medicine. Lotion. Let's stand it up. Penguin. Candy. I don't know if I need this brush right now because of how my hair is. So, get this up. Alright. So let's go to the outside. Let's get some scissors. Let's get our hand sanitizer on here. Let's get our keychain on the other side. And I want to put my cinnamon. I need to find a smaller, better way to carry this cinnamon. I'm going to find a better way. I don't like that plastic bag is just too big. Okay. All right. The bag is done. This is the bag. Sanitizer. Donut. This is for my phone, the pocket in the front. This is a leftover mess. So we're going to get the change. And y'all will be so proud of me. I actually did use the change pouch. And I'm going to leave that in there. Okay. Now, the garbage bag. I got to clean up my mess. I just made so much lint and mess on my bed. Now I got to vacuum my bed again. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Alright, guys. So, the mess is done and complete. We are all set. I'm going to clean up. This is the bag of the month. I am going to be on the lookout for another Halloween bag. And hopefully I can find one for next time. Let me put straws back in here because y'all know I have to have straws. So right now everything is reachable. We will see how long that lasts. Catch y'all in the next one.